From powerful log splitters to razor-sharp axes, these game-changing logging tools make the job faster, easier, and way less painful. Ever tried splitting kindling with a hatchet, and ended up with sore arms and flying wood chips? Here's a smarter way: the wall-mounted kindling splitter. Just mount it on a sturdy wall or post, and you've got an effortless way to prep firewood. Perfect for fireplaces, stoves, and even camping trips. This thing makes sure you never struggle to get a fire going. Forget struggling with heavy, dull saws. This lightweight hand chainsaw slices through wood like butter. With 48 razor-sharp teeth and clog-clearing tech, it cuts faster and won't jam. Built tough, tested to withstand 4,000 newtons, and light enough to clip onto your belt. So, would you still grab a regular handsaw for the job? Tired of heavy saws that need too much effort? This Japanese pull saw cuts on the pull stroke, making it lighter, sharper, and easier to control for cleaner cuts. Crafted in Japan with top-quality steel, it's a game changer for woodworking. Would you still prefer a regular push saw? Need to clear fence lines or thick brush? The Baumalight MX530 would chipper shreds bushes and small trees into 1-meter wide strips with tough, V-shaped teeth that resist stone impacts. Designed for excavators, it mulches smoothly with precision control. Why carry an axe and a knife when you can have both in one? The parang is sharpened differently along its length, making it perfect for slicing, chopping, and even axe-like work. Built from 1075 carbon steel with a tough machete handle, it's lightweight yet powerful. Would you still pack a separate axe for the job? Swinging an axe is great, until your arms give out. This 6.5-ton electric log splitter does the work for you, delivering 13,000 pounds of force with zero gas, fumes, or heavy maintenance. Use it with or without the stand, and roll it anywhere with ease. Need firewood fast? The Fiskars X25 splitting axe delivers powerful one-strike splits with its sharp, forged steel blade and balanced design. The shock-absorbing handle is stronger than steel, so you swing harder without the strain. Tired of struggling with bulky chainsaws? This 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw slices through branches like butter with its 880W motor and auto-oiling system. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, it's easy to handle, even for long jobs. Clearing land for construction or farming, with stumps and trees in the way. The Vortex skid steer stump grinder cuts trees in seconds and grinds stumps 18 inches deep with a 12-tooth disc spinning at 735 RPM. Need firewood, too? Just swap to the wood splitter attachment. Would you still do this by hand?